Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Figma to Claude AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is log into our Figma account. So come on over and click on login, or if you don't have an account, go ahead and click on get started for free. Now I'm going to continue my Google account. And here it is here. Now that should sign me in. Now once that signs me in, come back over to Claude. And then click on customize, make sure you are signed in with Claude too. Click on connectors. Then from here, we want to go ahead and add a new connection. So we can go ahead and click on the plus icon, browse connectors, and now search for Figma. Here it is here. So I want to click on this one here. So generate diagrams and better code for Figma context, or the Figma MCP service helps you pull in Figma context and generate high quality code. So it depends which one you want. So I might do this one here. So the Figma MCP servers. Now you can have a read of that. So you can download, get Claude for desktop to use this extension. But if you just want to use the web version, you can go ahead and click on the first one here. Click on plus. Now it's going to say grant access to Figma because we're already signed in here. We don't need to sign in. We just need to agree and allow access. Do you want to get tips and updates from Figma? I'm just going to say no thanks. You can say yes please, depending on your personal preference. Now once we've done that, it's going to say at the top right hand corner connected to Figma.